Want to create amazing YouTube videos using just your phone? Stick around and we'll show you how. Unleash your creativity and transform your mobile device into a portable studio. With the right techniques, your phone is all you need to produce top-notch content. Stay tuned to discover the simple steps to make professional YouTube videos using just your phone. First things first, pre-production. This is where all great videos begin. It's all about planning your content. Think of your concept, what story you want to tell. Then, write your script. There are plenty of mobile apps like Telix or Trello that can assist in script writing and storyboarding. Having a clear concept and well-thought-out script is a must. It's your roadmap to a successful video. Remember, a well-planned video is half the job done. Now let's move to the next stage. Now that you have a plan, it's time to hit the record button. Your phone, a device you carry around every day, can be your key to high-quality video creation. Prioritize good lighting, clear sound, and stability. A tripod can be your best friend here. There are plenty of apps available to help you capture the best footage, all at your fingertips. Remember, great visuals paired with clear audio can create a captivating video. With the right apps and settings, your phone can be a powerful recording device. Next, we'll dive into editing. Now that you've got your footage, it's time to turn it into a masterpiece. Your mobile phone is your editing suite. Apps like iMovie and Adobe Premiere Rush make editing a breeze. Start by trimming the fat, cutting out unnecessary parts. Then, stitch your scenes together with smooth transitions. Don't forget to add background music to set the mood. Lastly, give your video some pop with color correction. Editing might seem daunting, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Now you're ready to upload your video. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Navigate to YouTube's upload button, craft a captivating title and description, and select relevant tags. Promote your video across social media channels. And there you have it. Your video is now ready for the world to see. Creating YouTube videos using just your phone is not only possible, but also quite easy. Remember, pre-production, recording, editing, and promoting, all achievable with that device in your pocket. The world is your stage, your phone, your tool. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating YouTube videos. Happy filming!